DJM TV. DJM TV.
What a shame. What a big shame that the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, will come out at night after Lagosians have been shot, have been killed. Then you come to the hospitals and you start saying stupid things like, thank God there were no fatalities. Then you will pay the bills. We will pay their bills. We don't need you to pay bills. We need you to come out and stand between the soldiers and the constituents and say, don't shoot. We don't need you to pay anybody's hospital bill. We hear that shooting is going on right now in Lekki 1 and Ikoyi again. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, where are you? Where are you? You call yourself a father and a governor. Where are you right now? Come out and stand on the ground and say, don't shoot my people. Don't you dare come out again later this afternoon and tell us you want to pay hospital bills. We don't need you to pay hospital bills. We need you to be a governor. We need you to be a father. If not, resign today. Resign and let us know we don't have a governor. Resign and let us know we don't have a puppet. Shame on you. Every good you have done before today has become nonsense because soldiers came into your territory. They came into your house and you could not come out to tell them to stop. Shame on you, bastard! Shame on you. Then you come out and tell me you will pay hospital bills. Will you also raise the dead? Will you also raise the dead? We need you out to the streets today. Else resign. If you will not come out to the streets today, resign. As for Muhammadu Buhari, we don't even need you to come out on the streets again. Resign today. Resign today. We don't have a president. We have a dead man sitting down there. Resign. You and all your cabinet members, resign. Resign today. Resign. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Resign today. We don't have a president. We don't need you. Enough is enough. Wicked people. Enough is enough. We are not. You think this is just the beginning? We are tired. We are dead men. You can't kill dead men. You will resign today, oh. I'm telling you, Muhammadu Buhari, we don't need you. Sanwo-Olu, you are a puppet. You will resign today. We are sick and tired of being afraid. We are no longer, in fact, we're not afraid again. We are now alive. We are now alive. You see, the truth of to live is Christ and to die is gain has come alive now. We are alive. You will resign. We don't need anybody coming to pay any nonsense hospital bills. Resign. Let's know we have a governor. Let's know we have a president. Right now we have puppets. We have wicked people who will open fire on their own citizens who are calling for justice. You will resign today. Enough is enough. We have slept enough. We have cried enough. No more. We don't need you anymore. We don't need you. 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 Resign. Resign. We have prayed enough. We have cried enough. Now we are asking you, come down. Step down. We voted. We stood under the sun. We voted for you. We will not wait for 2023. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step down. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. We are asking for your resignation today. It's enough. We voted you in. We want you out. We want you out, Sanwo-Olu. Buhari, we want you out. We've had enough. We've had enough. You killed our brothers and our sisters. You killed them and now you came here to say you want to pay for hospital bills. Who is looking for hospital bills? Will you also raise them from the dead? You could not come out to say don't kill my constituents. You are a bastard. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We're asking for your resignation today.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supportive members: Arinze Agulolu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.